afternoon. It's Monday, and yesterday I didn't vlog too much because we had a really chill day. We started the day off, well, I was a little late with editing the vlog, so we started the day off much later than I wanted to. And then Andy and I just went to Costco, picked up the stuff that we needed, and then we went over to my parents' house for dinner. I have a little bit of footage from yesterday, so I'll put it in here now. Starting the vlog off at my parents' house. Andy and I just got here, and my mom surprised me with a Black Forest cake Christmas edition. That's adorable. This is my favorite kind of cake. I always have Black Forest cake on my birthdays. On tonight's Sunday dinner menu, we have sag. We have more rice because I asked my mom to make it because last week's was so delicious. Naan, chickpeas, and curry chicken. Now Andy and I are just on our way to Kitsilano. There's a few stores that I want to go check out, and then I just have pretty much shopping plan for the afternoon. And then in the evening we might go check out Lafarge Lake. They do a nice setup of holiday lights, and apparently it's pretty beautiful, so that is on the agenda.
It's just all the way out Coquitlam.
Yeah, it's a long drive.
Long way out.
How long did it say on Google Maps?
I think it's like 40 minutes from our 45 minutes at least. I
just figured it would be something holiday-ish that we could do, because last year we didn't do any holiday lights at all. So
check it out.
That's what today's about. So it turns out Kitsilano doesn't actually have the stores that I'm looking for, so that's a little frustrating. I'm a little hungry now, so we are gonna go eat. For lunch, we stopped in for sushi. Do you remember what the name of this place is called? Oh, there you go. That's awesome. Perfect timing.
In Kitsilano.
Perfecto. And we got our usual rolls: yam tempura, avocado, California. We're gonna split that. And they're playing like such nice, relaxing Christmas music in here. It's beautiful. Christmas. Oh my gosh. If that's not the biggest fail I've ever seen.
That's hilarious. There it is.
There it is. Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree.
I know the rest of the words to you.
No. It's already one of those kind of days. Now that Kitsilano was a complete flop, we are headed to Park Royal, which was also on the agenda for today anyways.
Here we are, driving through the wilderness jungles of Stanley Park.
You know,
look to your right.
You know what's so funny? I was just thinking that exact same phrase in my head. I was literally saying that exact same thing in my head.
What? If you look to your right, you can see a wild beaver.
Why are we so messed up today?
Blocking the tree.
Oh, that's a good one too.
What did you say, your first ever what? What did you buy today?
My first ever Anthropology purchase and my first ever poncho. I just wanted to get this on camera because Andy gave me so much grief out there when I was like, that's gonna be too big for you. He's looking for a nice cable knit sweater, and I said, that's gonna be too big on you, and he's like, it's an oversized look. And then it's officially that time of the day. The lights are turning on. It's starting to get pretty. Yeah, it's not even like, this isn't, oh, look at the moon. It's not doing this justice at all, but the lights out here are so pretty.
So, how you doing? You want to update them on our day so far?
Today's not going our day.
Today's not going our day.
Today's not going our way. I'm trying to find some new clothes. I thought, oh, I'll try this on for a holiday party. This is an extra small. Who's this made for?
And how's this one? Show the arms. Show the arms.
So today didn't go quite as planned. It's been a little bit of a fail. we didn't quite make it to LaFarge Lake because by the time we knew it, it was so late. And we made the call, I'd say around 6:30, that we were gonna scrap the Christmas lights tonight. And Andy is going to save the vlog tonight and cook dinner. And I'm really excited about it because the last time he made this dish, it was so good. You've only made it once, and that was good enough. I was like, I need this at least once a month. Maybe not once a month because it's pretty rich, it's pretty indulgent, but it's so good. The name of the dish that Andy will be cooking tonight is
Aglio E Olio.
Say that 3 times fast. Step 1, we are using linguine noodles, and you cook for
7 minutes. After you got the pasta going, you need between 1/3 and 1/2 cup of extra virgin olive oil on low heat. Okay, then the next step, you usually want to have nicely thin sliced garlic, but we forgot to have fresh garlic at home, so we're cheating with pre-minced garlic. And you basically want to let this crisp up. And then you want to keep stirring the garlic so it doesn't burn, especially because we use mince. You want to make sure to keep moving it around so you don't burn. Then you're going to add about a teaspoon or more of chili flakes. So this is just the spice now. Most important part before you drain your pasta, try to get a good chunk of the pasta water. And we're going to use that to finish the sauce. Then just add your linguine.
Whoa. By the way, this is heavily salted. I just had a taste test of this to see if it was done or not. And how much salt would you say you used?
Oh, there's like a tablespoon of salt in it, at least. So then add a lemon with the seeds removed. Add your pasta water to it slowly, because this is basically what's going to make it into a sauce now. And you basically, the reason why you don't cook the linguine too long is you let it finish cooking in here. And so, now when the oil and the pasta water mix, that's what makes a nice emulsified sauce.
I just remembered what you had in here last time that rocked this dish.
What?
Mushrooms.
Did I have mushrooms this last time?
Yes.
Oh, no mushrooms today. This one's classic. You got that. Then you've also got tons and tons of parsley. And you have to remember to taste, because I tasted and then realized that I forgot the fresh cracked black pepper in it.